2009 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 73,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, power driver seat, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, auto climate control. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.